Tired of the bin cleaning scramble before a joint commission visit? It's like cramming for finals, stressful, messy, and no one's favorite task. Hi, I'm Heather Antis, Supply Chain Analyst at LogiQuip. I know the panic that sets in when the joint commission comes calling, especially when it means cleaning thousands of plastic bins every month. It's exhausting and time-consuming. That's why I'm excited to share a smarter solution. LogiQuip's ParWire and ParWall fine mesh basket shelving. No more plastic bins. No more last-minute scrubbing, just clean, compliant storage always. You'll get up to 40% more storage capacity with zero maintenance. That means more space, less stress, and a system that is always ready for inspection. No bins, no stress, just smarter storage. Visit LogiQuip.com to learn more.